Hey guys, I got another product to share with you, and this is another one from Zoekim. What we have here is what they're calling their 18-in-1 snowflake multi-tool. Comes in this little felt pouch. So you can see why they call it snowflake. It comes with a key ring and a carabiner clip. Kind of cool. They sent me two. This one's black and this one is supposed to be silver. I can get it open here. Yes. And they both, oh, the silver one actually comes with a silver key ring. Guess I should put that up there. All of the different tools that are on this, I'm going to do a split screen here so you can see every tool and size that is on this. So as you saw, there are several tools that are included on this. It's nice and thick. It's flat, so it's not going to take up much room in your range bag. Kind of a cool little tool. Now, I'm definitely going to keep these, or at least one of them, in my range bag. So if you guys are interested in this, you'll find links down below. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.